Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I'm here to tell you that laundry hampers don't need to be an eyesore. This laundry hamper from Lonbet is beautiful, which is why I was immediately drawn to it. It comes in a handful of colors. This one is the beige. I really love the bamboo trimmed accent around the lid, and then under the lid you have these adorable little bamboo buttons. Aside from it looking pretty though, it's functional. One of the features I really love is that there's a liner on the inside. This is my son's laundry hamper, and what has happened in the past is he will throw wet clothes in his hamper and then mold will grow. And in the last hamper he had, there was no way to clean it. So I really wanted one with a liner that I could take out and wash, because guess what? I guarantee you at some point in time, wet clothes will go in here again. You can also unhook the bag and use it to transport your clothes from the bedroom to the laundry room if you want. You will have to assemble this when it arrives, but it's super easy. You have these poles that you insert into each corner, and that's what helps it to stand upright and gives it support. I really love when I can find a product that is also necessary but cute. I mean, it doesn't have to be cute, but it sure helps. And that's why I love it. And that's my point of view.